Ticket views. How to create a ticket view. Navigate from the main Help Desk view to the Settings menu and select Ticket Views, clicking the Add Ticket View button. In our example, we named the view Firewall Exception Tickets. A filter is applied to this view so it only shows tickets where the category is Firewall Exceptions. When the view is saved, it gets added to the list of available ticket views with a short description of its configuration. Here's how to select a ticket view. The drop-down button for ticket views can be easy to miss, so we'll cover it here. We're going to select a different ticket view that we created earlier. Click on the Ticket View drop-down to see a list of available views. Here, we're selecting the Firewall Exception Tickets view, which filters the list to show only the tickets that meet the criteria for that view. For more information, go to spiceworks.com/chd.